blay pi barwang iptang samhai pi shikatuk kubor mta ka janmien shwan paj ki kubor ki babnai pechwai ki mat bakongsan Penlong jing Ukraine Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi bat ki khna ki bayo ek khusna Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar in New Delhi Pelat kasing All India Trinamool Congress ki matre kam bat tripotli ki jingklar nakabenta ka Meghalaya kani ki election banwan Mi ino uba sambor lang dengdo na sing Trinamool Congress. But penlong kinong tre ka KHADC ya ka jingeki on palai ka executive committee kumbasan po na ka Shispaga area kadang sa tengong CM. Kikubor ki babnya Kementeri Badai Kmi Katanat Women and Child Development Kasmiriti Irani kelaikan dua bat ki kena ki bayo ki khusnam Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar haringkat ka jingiran langjong ki kmi ki kpajong ki New Delhi ne kasngi Menteri Rangba Adu Kari Narendra Modi ulai keren bat kini ki kena haga yeng sa jong handong ba Delhi ka President Kari ka Drupadi Murmu kalasam ki khusnam shakini ki kena ha Vigyan Bhavan hinin kasngi Ya kini ki khusnam la Aisha ki khatwai ngot ki khna ki blawan chakmat ki riotli ki thop kata hakasap ka phong ka kolshor ka jingshulur ka jingstart ban shemi ki but thamai ki kambe day bat ka imlang sa lang bat ki jingile kai sport kini ki khna bakin thop ya riong ngot ki shinrang bat san ngot ki kenthei ki wanna ki khatwai tli ki jalla bat union territory baro ki khna ki la yo ki medal ka song pisa ba shilak tingka bat ka certificate na ka President Kari Kaseng All India Trinamool Congress menta kasngi kala pelat iki matre kam na kabenta ke election banwan shaging dorbar thau an ke jala bat ki shipotili ki jinkular na kabenta ka jala Meghalaya U National General Secretary kaseng Abhishek Banerjee ula pelat ya ki ne ha jingi don langjong unong yelam barang ba kaseng bakentup U MP but U AITC Parliamentary Party ha Rajya Sabha U Derek O'Brien unong kmi e kaseng TMC Meghalaya U Manas Bhunia unong yelam kaseng TMC Mukul Sangma U President kaseng uba Charles Pingrove pat U Vice President uba George Lingdo kawai na kini ki shipotili ki jingkular kalong ka jingnyo korya ki riti bat ki an tenrai bat ki jaka kintang ka kadaw shapang ka jingdon kam ban penthamai biang ye ki jingete kindon halor ki kam khaput ban wanra ka village administrative bill ban pintre kam ka Meghalaya Resident Safety Act ar hajar khanrio khnang ba onla ban pinrung kirteng ye baro ki nong shong wai bat ka jingle ra ka private members bill ha parliament na ka bantaban yo ya ka jing itho ya ka ktien Khasi bat garo ki wei pat ki khandai tali ki jingkular ki long ban phai khmat halor ka put ka tem ki kam yale kai ka riti dostur bat ka kam jngo kai ban pin biang ki jinglon kam na ka benta ki nong shong shnong ka puli puthi ka babha na ka benta ki khna ka jing ai jing sumaria baro ban kin tiu ka jing pinmi mar bam bat ban penlong ye ki nong rep ki bakmen ka jing shong suk shong shnganya baro ban pen ko bor ki long kme ban pen yo ya kalawai ba pernai bat ban pen yo shibon ki lat ki lenti ban kin tiu ya ka yo ka kon
Rights will be protected at all costs and no decisions will be anti-people or taken without their consent.
Ukirtong ka seng Trinamool Congress banyakunna pinthor umkra constituency uba sambor lang dengdo ulami no nakaseng bat ula pentip baha kani ke election unse kun kum ukirtong shimen da ka baong ba ula shimya kani ka rai ni ki daw ba shimen ula pinsngo ba umkwa bandon bentah ka jingye ka daw ti hapadeng ki seng sign perthei ula ong ba ka jingye lap election jong u onom don ka jing kto ti persha ki kirtong ba yakun lang bat ula benrap ru ba on ya lap tang halor ki mat badon kam shu uba ding do ula ong ba kwa ban ai than tang ki jingkular ki pat ba jongka constituency jong u
that I want to announce that from now on I'll be contesting the upcoming election as an independent candidate and not as a TMC candidate anymore. The reason is that we just want to refrain ourselves from mudslinging politics and we want to promote constructive politics and we have full faith and confidence on ourselves from the past 3 years that we've worked since the lockdown. That's the only reason. There's nothing against the party nor against the party functionaries.
Ki nong tray jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hinen kasngi kelapan long ya ka jing ki halor ka jing pensa teng ban pelat ya ki area. U Chief Executive Member ka KHADC uba Tito Starwell Khan ulaong baka komiti kamshim lala ban pelat ya ki area jong ki nong tray namar baka sorkar kampat pha ya ka bha na ki mar po khendau ka badai ka benta jong ka council na ka benta usnam tray kam ba 8,000 arpulai. Ubak Khan ulaong baka executive committee kala rai ban pelat chwa sanpo nakashispa jongki area ke belasa teng.
Kadau kalong ka peningkong kadau kalong ka jing bom dan pisah. Ka jing bom dan pisah pak kadai kadau baka sorkar kami sem pelat ya ka share ka jongi jong usnem arpuwe jong usnem arpulai. Kabangi yo menta kalong ka share jong arpuwe arpuar kabangi dang yo dang men ha ka ni Disember. Tenrai ka jing kerpat jong ayak kipat kalong ba ngong toy sya sipor.
Kaseng Congress Hamawati Constituency kalanang scam hadian bu unong yalam bapau Hamawati Constituency uba Dennis Mukim ringkat kinong bu jung hinin kesngi ulalet pinaso pat kaseng Congress lapadiang ngobhaya uba Dennis Mukim ringkat kinong Krishan jong sya kaseng da president ke Congress na Mawhati uba Daminot Silyang ha ka jeng don lang jong ukertong kaseng uba Charles Marngar bat president ke MPCC bat MP uba Vincent H Pala. Ban penti kena baka jeng tap vote hari boy district kan long ka balai nu bat ka bakhut na ka bentaki nong tap ha kan ke election ban wan chaging dor bar thau an ke jela ka ban long ka ar punyo utrek ubnai rimpang u district election officer kari boy u arpit upadia hinen kasngi ulapan bena baka lapan jari da ka model code of conduct hari boy kat kum ka kendon jong ka model code of conduct. Haba ajeng kren sinong thok khubor ha ka office tre kam jong hanong po u district election officer but deputy commissioner kari boy u arpit upadia ulaong balapan tre kam perking ya ka model code of conduct hari boy de hadin paki election commission of India ha ka khat pratrik u kala lingkot kala depin benai ka tarik ban pelong ke election
to use the postal ballot also. So for this form 12D has been given to all the BLOs and they have been trained also so that they can go and meet each and every individual person who is eligible for absentee under this category of absentee. I would like to bring to your notice that this year we are having there has been a change and for especially voters which are of senior citizens and which are differently abled. So for them they have been categorized as absentee voters and now they have an option to use the postal ballot also.
Minta part ngin pet ka jung long jaman ka sumbang ka jing shit ka long khanyo pon lai degree celsius ka jing kra ka long sam pon rio degree celsius ka jing ngam ka hau ka long nyo pho na ka shis pa min sa pan rio pho na ka shis pa jan men kan sumbang kan rang bat kala banon ka jing dom o ba malu malaki ka tu ka ni jaka Haswa bagin pinkut ni pinkan mau pi begin ka khubor na lor ka bapi ki television phila aruban pe live ke YouTube channel jong DD News Shillong na ka benta ki khubor ba malagasngi phila aruban pe ka khubor jong DD News Shillong ha ke Instagram Facebook ba Twitter Shobon poi shob ko jong tu khubor ngi pe byang se si ni ka mat ba kong san Penlong jing kren Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi but ki khna ki bayo ka khusna Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar in New Delhi. Belait kaseng All India Trinamool Congress ki matre kam bat chipau tili ki jingkular na kabenta ka Meghalaya ha kan ki election banwan. Mi no uba sambor lang ding do na kaseng Trinamool Congress. Bat penlong ginong tray ka KHADC ka jingaki on pelat ka executive committee kumbasan pau na ka shispa ka area na badangsa ong UCEM. ti perlok tu la poi so bu jang tu ko bor jing ta ka jan men du ni sham bem phi le shai ka sin khu le phi ba ro
A cold wave can cause loss and devastation to crops if appropriate measures are not taken in time. Due to extreme cold and dense fog, crops can get attacked by insects, resulting in fungal diseases, cold injuries,